whatever you feel that it is the correct path for you and you feel that you can do in it, just go with it. I thought of as a scientist in the beginning, but I was not sure what a scientist is. I was thinking that developing, innovating some things and all. Then in the 2018 when I got to Vigyan, there I developed my own cooler. So in the cheapest way, you can say most inexpensive cooler you can get there. In 300 rupees or 400 rupees you can get that cooler. But I made it like for a poor people, it can charge from solar also. It is a chargeable and at night it will give you light also and air also. But I could not study at that time because COVID came. I was in the room all the time. We were living on rent since 20. We were living on rent, so in a single room, and parents and my sister's bed was there, so I could not study there. Then I made my small place in the terrace landing, so I just went there and made a place for me to sit.
From a small town in Uttar Pradesh to building systems at India's one of the most prestigious institute, IIT Madras, today we are joined by Pratham Bhalla, who works here, who has completed the BS degree. And Pratham, welcome here.
Thank you for your giving me the opportunity for this podcast. So I am happy to be giving you on my journey, whatever you want to ask.
So Pratham, let's take back to 2018 when your journey actually started. We have heard that you were preparing for JEE Advance, you wanted to get into IIT Madras. What shift did you take to enter into this BS degree?
So everything started from 2018 when I passed class 10. Then I was just wanted to become a scientist in the beginning. From the third, fourth class when I was the 3 years movie, my goal was to become a scientist like Ranchor Dasha, Guru. Then with that I was, whenever anyone asked me what do you want to become, I just say I want to become a scientist. So later on in 2018, after I passed class 10th, I got an opportunity to go to Vigyan Ghar, which is just like a big boss like house for 10 days, where I lived for 10 days 24/7 in YouTube live. And there I got opportunity to meet many scientists and also met some students who are doing the PhD in IITs and all. So then actually my family condition was not good, so I got to know from them that we can do these things of IIT, then we can become scientists easily. So my goal was initially to become a scientist for that I started my preparation for JEE in class 11. So when I started looking for videos on YouTube. So I found Physics Wala Alexa YouTube videos. With that I studied physics from Physics Wala sir only. Since financial condition was not good, I cannot go to coachings and all. So my school teacher could not crack IIT JEE in the beginning. So we just said that IIT JEEs are not for the poor people like us. It is for the rich people only, because initially you have to pay too much to the coaching academies, and then you have to pay the IIT use fees of IITs, which is like around lakhs or 8 to 10 lakhs for 4 years degree. So I was not aware of these scholarships and all. Later I got to know about them. So I was thinking that let's try for it. Still I was trying for my own side. Even after he said that you don't go for this, you go for government jobs and all. But still I was trying on my own way that let's try for it, let's try. So I watched Alexa videos of learning physics and chemistry in class 11. Maths I was learning from my school teacher only, that same teacher. Then in class 12th I need special guidance in chemistry, so I joined another coaching for chemistry only with by asking the sir to give me some discount for the fees, and he allowed me for the discount. And I joined the chemistry coaching, maths coaching, physics I studied from Physics Wala sir only in the class 12th also. So in class 11th and 12th I studied like this, and when I passed class 12th, time came when my computer science exam was not done because of the COVID came. So 17 March was my last exam that I gave for maths. 17 March 2020, that my maths exam. Then 21st was my computer science exam, which I could not give because of COVID. And 18th March COVID came and all exams got shifted. So later lockdown came and all. So at that time I thought that I should do for this JEE and all. Then when in 2020 also I gave the JEE first attempt. In that I got 78 percentile. And just before the giving the exam, my exam was on 6th of Jan 2020. So and just before 2-3 days, so it was on 9th. So just before 2-3 days, I got to know about that in IIT Delhi there is a scholarship for students like poor people. We can get the financial scholarship. So then I realized that why I am thinking of fees and all, I can get scholarships there.
Wow.
So then I thought of doing it, giving out best try. I gave my best try in that time. Then later when I shifted to when COVID came, so I have also made a Telegram channel where I was getting books and all for IIT JEE because I was not having the hard copies of books. So I was reading from the PDFs from the Telegram groups and all. So there I made the channel also for sharing with others. So later I thought that let's share with others also and I will study also. But I could not study at that time because COVID came. I was in the room all the time. We were living for rent since 2025. We were living on rent. So in a single room and parents and my sister's bed was there. So I could not study there. Then I made my small place in the terrace landing. So I just went there and made a place for me to sit.
It sounds like totally out of a Bollywood movie. मतलब वहाँ पर छत पे out on the terrace you made a place especially.
टेरेस पे ऐसा था कि जैसे छत पे जाते हैं तो लैंडिंग रहती है, उस पर ही दरवाज़ा खोल के ही बैठना वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
दोपहर गर्मी के टाइम वहाँ गर्मी लग रही है, पंखा पेड़ लगाया, चीज़ें करी वहाँ पे, सेटअप अपना पूरा सेटअप वहीं पे किया धीरे.
So much dedication and commitment you had towards your goal.
बस उसके लिए करना था कि अब फिर उसी में भी टेलीग्राम चैनल चला रहा था तब, तो उसमें बच्चों को बुक्स भी दे रहा हूँ, अपने बुक्स भी ले रहा हूँ. मैंने ट्राई भी किया कि पढ़ूँ चीज़ें, यूट्यूब से पढ़ रहा हूँ कभी कुछ, लेकिन मोबाइल एक ही था, एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल, क्योंकि वो भी 2019 में ही लिया था पहली बार हमने एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल, ताकि मैं यूट्यूब से पढ़ सकूँ. उसी वजह से 2018 में जो मोबाइल चला रहा था मैं, 20 फिजिक्स वाला वीडियोज़ वगैरह देख, वो सब बुआ के दिए गए थे, मतलब रिलेटिव के गिवन थे, तो उन्हीं को यूज़ कर रहा था तब तक. फिर 2019 में मोबाइल सब ख़राब हो गए तो और कोई रहा नहीं, तो वो भी हमने ऑन EMI रीपरचेज है फ़ोन. 9th में को फ़ोन लिया था फर्स्ट टाइम 2019 में, तो उससे ही पढ़ा. फिर और 2020 में वही फ़ोन, मम्मी भी स्कूल में पढ़ाती थी तो मम्मी भी यूज़ करती हैं किसी टाइम, एक टाइम मैं यूज़ करता हूँ फ़ोन को, तो दोनों चीज़ें एक ही फ़ोन से चल रही थी. फिर मेरी स्टडी भी क्लासेस चल रही थी 2020 में, तो फिर तभी, और मैं उससे पढ़ भी नहीं पा रहा था इतनी अच्छी तरह, और भी सोच था नहीं पढ़ने का. बस जब टाइम मिलता तो पढ़ लिया, उससे लेक्चर देख लिए, बाकी यूट्यूब से ही, और बाकी अपना जितना हो पाया किया. फिर JEE का सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट दिया, उसके अंदर आई गॉट 58 समथिंग परसेंटाइल.
तो व्हाट वाज द ईयर जब आपने ये JEE का सेकंड अटेम्प्ट दिया था?
2020 only when I passed class 12.
अच्छा, ओके.
So when I passed class 12 तो उसी टाइम JEE भी दिया, दोनों अटैम्प्ट, फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट भी सेकेंड अटैम्प्ट भी. सो उस टाइम ही, क्योंकि उसी साल से जस्ट 2019 से स्टार्टेड की यू कैन गिव JEE in 2 times a year, in January also and in April also, but April got delayed because of the COVID. So April attempt happened in September only. So on 2 September 2020 I gave my JEE second attempt, and I was also applying for NDA side by side.
अच्छा.
So 11th में जब था 11th पास करी थी, 12th में आया तब NDA के एग्ज़ाम भी दिए.
So many dreams, so many passions, so much dedication.
So NDA के एग्ज़ाम उस टाइम क्लियर नहीं हुए, लेकिन 2020 में जब कोविड था तो उस टाइम JEE का क्लैश करा था, फिर डेट चेंज करा गया. तो उसके बाद मैं जा नहीं रहा था एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए दिल्ली में, तो उसके लिए मदर ने कहा कि जाओ एग्ज़ाम देने जाना है, क्योंकि ट्रैफिक, मतलब कुछ व्हीकल्स नहीं चल रहे थे, मेट्रो वगैरह सब बंद थी. तो फिर भी हम गए बदरपुर वाटर साइड, तो वहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम दिया और मिस्टेकनली एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो गया NDA के रिजल्ट.
Wonderful. Oh, one more achievement. He has cleared NDA exam.
तो उसके बाद SSB दिया NDA के लिए साइड बाई साइड. और JEE BF3 की जर्नी भी स्टार्ट होती है मेनली जब मेरे को नोटिफिकेशन मिलता है न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर कि ऐसी BS डिग्री लॉन्च हो रही है. BSc डिग्री उस टाइम था, BSc इन प्रोग्रामिंग एंड डेटा साइंस. तो उसके लिए मैंने सोचा कि अब बीच में मैंने पैसों की दिक्कत ही करना है, तो उसके लिए टेलीग्राम पे जो चैनल मैंने बनाया था उसको ग्रो करके थोड़ा पहले ग्रेडअप के साथ कोलैबोरेशन किया कि आई विल प्रमोट योर इवेंट्स एंड ऑल, क्योंकि स्टडी चैनल था तो उनकी ग्रेडअप के इवेंट्स प्रमोट की. देन अनअकैडमी के साथ कोलैब किया. So with GradeUp only, I earned around firstly in 2 weeks I earned around 5,000 rupees with GradeUp collaborations. So that was my first income. So with that I was having chance either to apply for the JEE Advanced. Even though I qualified with EWS category,
Yes.
I thought to apply for JEE Advanced, which cost 2,600 at that time.
Oh.
And other thing was BS degree, which cost 3,000 rupees at that time.
Oh, so this was the partition time.
And this was the partition time where to go.
अच्छा.
तो उस टाइम पता नहीं था कि डेटा साइंस क्या है क्या नहीं है. बस इतना थोड़ा यूट्यूब पे देखा कि डेटा साइंस ये है. आप यूट्यूब पे रिकमेंडेशंस आ रही हैं वीडियो की, वो सब क्या होता है वो चीज़ थोड़ा देखा तो उसमें लगा कि कर सकते हैं चीज़. तो बस उसके लिए फिर JEE एडवांस का ड्रॉप किया ऑप्शन, और जो 5,000 अर्न थे उन्हीं से अप्लाई किया BS डिग्री के अंदर. और फिर SSB के लिए भी गया उसी टाइम पर.
अच्छा.
तो ऐसा भी टाइम था कि मैं इलाहाबाद स्टेशन पे SSB के लिए बैठा हूँ अपना.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट डे SSB है मेरी, SSB से आके वहाँ बैठा हूँ और असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर रहा हूँ वहाँ रेलवे स्टेशन पे बैठ के वर्किंग वेटिंग रूम में. तो वहाँ IIT की 26 अक्टूबर को भी डेडलाइन थी एक, 26 और आई 27 20 अक्टूबर डेडलाइन थी वेडनेसडे की.
वीकली असाइनमेंट.
वीकली असाइनमेंट डेडलाइन वो इनिशियली 4 वीक्स की होती है.
हाँ.
तो स्टार्ट हुआ था हमारा अक्टूबर के बिगिनिंग में, 3rd या 4th वीक की
दिस वाज अराउंड द टाइम ऑफ क्वालिफायर.
या अराउंड टाइम क्वालिफाई. फर्स्ट क्वालिफाई हुआ था BS डिग्री प्रोग्राम.
ओके ओके.
सो एट दैट टाइम 3rd वीक में आई वॉज इन इलाहाबाद.
हाँ.
जब डेडलाइन थी तो उस समय मैंने इलाहाबाद से रेलवे स्टेशन पर बैठ के क्वालिफायर के असाइनमेंट सबमिट करे थे. नेक्स्ट डे हमारी ट्रेन थी तो वो चीज़ थी. उसके बाद वहाँ से जब आए तो उसके बाद NDA के ये जो अपॉर्चुनिटी थी इलाहाबाद वाली ये TES के थ्रू मिली थी.
अच्छा.
TES एंट्री होती है SSB के लिए, डायरेक्ट एंट्री उसके थ्रू थी. उसके बाद NDA के SSB के लिए मैसूर भी गया मैं. तो वहाँ गया मैं दिसंबर में मैसूर.
ओके.
तो दिसंबर में जब मैसूर गया तब यहाँ पे एडमिशन लेना था IIT मद्रास के अंदर. अब उस टाइम उन्होंने ये कहा था कि आपको इस डिग्री को सेकेंडरी डिग्री करना है, नॉट अ प्राइमरी डिग्री.
हाँ ये.
तो फॉर प्राइमरी डिग्री आई नीड टू टेक एडमिशन इन सम कॉलेज,
ऑफलाइन कॉलेज.
ऑफलाइन कॉलेज. तो उसके लिए मैंने मैसूर में बैठ के ऑनलाइन एडमिशन किया था अपना मेरठ के ही कॉलेज में BSc के लिए. 15 दिसंबर को मैंने एडमिशन किया था उसके अंदर, और 7 दिसंबर तक क्वालिफाई के रिजल्ट आ चुके थे हमारे. 22 नवंबर को हमारा क्वालिफाई हुआ था, 7 दिसंबर तक रिजल्ट आ गए थे. और मैंने फिर अपना 15 दिसंबर तक एडमिशन लिया उस ऑफलाइन कॉलेज में. उसके बाद फिर 2-3 दिन में मैंने यहाँ अप्लाई कर दिया था फॉर द BS डिग्री. विद जनवरी में स्टार्ट हुई BS डिग्री, एंड देन I got started with the BSc also in the other college. So कॉलेज में इतना जाना होता नहीं था क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज था, तो सारा टाइम घर पे ही रहना. और घर पे ही फिर जब पढ़ रहे थे धीरे धीरे पढ़ना शुरू किया. फिर लैपटॉप भी परचेज किया जो मैं काम कर रहा था अनअकैडमी से कोलेब्रेशन में.
ओके. थ्रू दैट मनी ओनली यू.
2020 I am earning on my own. I am giving my fees on my own. I have not taken any money from parents. Even given to family only. Then जनवरी में जब स्टार्ट हुई जर्नी BS डिग्री की, तो उस टाइम पता नहीं था क्या हो क्या नहीं हो. फाउंडेशन में 3 कोर्स लिए, फिर 2 कोर्स लिए. फिर जब 2 कोर्स लिए मैथ्स 2 एंड SATS 1, तो ये साथ में लिए थे मैंने मे टर्म में. तब फ्रेंड्स मिले, श्री कृष्णा पांडे, आदित्य द्विवेदी, अविरल पांडे एंड ऑल. तो उन सब के साथ मिलके फिर हमने ग्रुप्स वगैरह बनाए व्हाट्सएप पे. तो उस टाइम बच्चे कम ही थे.
हाँ.
उनके साथ हमने फिर बच्चे इकट्ठे हुए, धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ते गए. BS डिग्री में भी बढ़ते गए, हमारी कम्युनिटी में भी बढ़ते गए. तो वहाँ पे एक दूसरे के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, हेल्प कर रहे हैं, ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए, ये चीज़ नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो उस तरह हमारी कम्युनिटी भी स्टार्ट होती है BS डिग्री.
ओके ओके. दैट इज व्हेन यू आर द फाउंडर ऑफ दैट IIT Madras based community.
सो श्री कृष्णा पांडे सर जो भी इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं यहाँ पर,
Your budding age.
आदित्य द्विवेदी, अविरल पांडे, ऋचिक मजुमदार, we all started that community as 5 admins. So we all were working with that and helping others. Then diploma groups बनाए. Even I was not in diploma, I made diploma level groups.
Oh yes.
So then even for qualified students I was helping them, like you can do this and all in the Telegram and WhatsApp groups. Then other thing was with me is how to earn. So with the degree in unacademy thing got ended in June 2021. The money which I was getting on academy work, it got ended in June 2021. Then I thought to what to do. Then I looked for internships on Internshala. There I got the subject matter expert internship because that only I can do at that level of knowledge. So I can do only that. Web development I thought to learn, but I could not learn at that time. So I started solving the questions of maths of class 10th or 12th of US curriculum.
Okay.
For the Brainly website, if you know. So I was only other freelancer in there. So for every question I solved, I got some money from the
Okay, yes.
so I solved those questions and then got some money that I use as payment for the BSc degree of foundation level. Then after the last term in the last term foundation level, I got the L&T scholarship. So they refunded the money back at that time. Then I used that money to register for the diploma courses. Then when I got the full money, then I registered for diploma courses. Then my money got ended and this was not giving me too much money.
Okay.
The brainly work. It is taking too much time of me but not giving me money. Then I looked for some other way and in 2022 when I entered diploma, I was not having even 1500 rupees to pay for the complete fees of the BS degree because scholarship was not suitable for it. So I thought that I will get the scholarship later, but I did not got in diploma level. So then I borrowed money from my friend Sarthak. So
Let's come to the rescue.
yeah. So he helped me with the 1500 rupees. Then I paid for the fees, and that 1500 rupees I repaid him after around 8 to 9 months. In the January 2023, I repaid him. So with that, I was working as a data analyst also in for image segmentation only, image categorization task for the US firm was there. So that I got from someone. So for them, they pay some money for that. Then with that also I paid for the BS degree fees. Then later I joined some promotional works also.
Okay.
Then I did some other things. Apart from this, I got an opportunity to teach. I have qualified FCAT also in between in the first attempt. FCAT is a Air Force Command Admission Test.
Okay.
So that I gave because my brother was saying for government jobs and all that you apply for this and apply for that. So I applied for the FCAT. I cleared in the first attempt because I don't know GK much. So without GK, English, Maths and Reasoning only I qualified it. Then I got opportunity from Colonel M. Nehru of Nofils Academy. So he was starting as a new course for the ND, CDS and FK students
ठीक है.
for the written exams.
Ah.
He was already giving guidance to SSP,
Okay.
but he started the new course for the written exams. So he hired me as a educator there for maths and science.
Okay.
So then from November 2022 to March April 2023, I worked there. I was teaching the students work from home online, and at the same time I was learning also, because I am learning for them also to teach, and I was learning the BS degree also, and at the night making the projects. So all these things was happening in that time. So with that only I earned some money that little bit stabilized my family.
Okay.
With that income only, so I little bit stabilized the family and paid the loans and all which we have taken for all these things. Then later, in 2023 I did take a break for the arcade for doing the projects of Mat 2 and BDM. And
So this is you're in diploma level. You are in
the diploma level.
Okay.
Then later, when I passed the diploma level with Mat 2 projects and all, Mat 2 and BDM was left at that time. So in May 23 I passed the diploma. Then in September 23 I joined the degree level. In that I initially had to put in 4 courses because I want to complete this in 4 years only. So I took 4 courses, and then
It must be pretty hectic for you.
yeah, and I was not teaching, but I was looking for some other jobs which I can do. So I started looking for some other ways of earning using commercial jobs and all. That all I can do. Then I worked for some places. Then later on, I was after the coaching ended in April 2023. Then they hired me as a web developer. Then at the time I learned WordPress also. While I was developing the Mat 2 project, I learned WordPress also to make the website. So now if you search for that, I made the website from the scratch using WordPress. So it is now comes in Google search as well. So ranking also I made in that. Then later in the September 23 I got opportunity for applying for the SIH, Smart India Hackathon. I got to know about SIH. Then we applied for it. We got internally selected first from the IITM team. Then we applied for the around 5 problem statement we applied, and in the last problem statement which we did at the last day. So we got selected for that problem statement, and we have gone as a team of 6 to SIH as finalists in Ahmedabad in Gujarat Technological University. So there we gave the essay. It was based on the ISRO problem statement. So there, me and my friends Abhishek Gupta and Prakhar Vanchal, we all have gone Nitish and all. So we all have gone there, made project. We by some margin we missed it because ISRO problem statement was there.
But still the experience.
Still the experience was very good in that because I was doing at the same time I was doing software engineering course. So that also
Did
helped me.
this base degree also helped in that?
Because BS degree only helped me in that, giving that opportunity. Because I could not think of any other way to go to SIS because my other degree, which is BSc PCF, that is just a government college that does not give opportunity for these things. And side by side I was in 23 only I completed that BSc degree also. I gave exams for it and passed 60%, which is enough for me. Then I entirely worked on this degree only. Then in Jan term I again took courses. Then May term I came here for the diploma last year, 2024 May. Then I worked as a TA for MAD 1, MAD 2 Vivas. I took Vivas of many students and later on it all came here. Then I in the 2024 and I completed this BS degree with
Last year you completed the
BS degree.
despite all of the struggles.
Yeah.
I think Pratham, it is such an inspirational story of yours. It's not despite the struggles, but because of the struggles and moving through all of them, you reached the way. And that is where the online IITM BS degree helps students, reaching out to students like him. It was such a golden opportunity for you.
And I could not complete the degree level also if I do not get the scholarship from here. So in the foundation level I got scholarship, diploma I could not got scholarship. There I paid fees on my own. Then degree level I got the scholarship again from the Ram Shriram CSR. So with that only I completed my degree level with the courses which I want to take. Otherwise I have thought to take the courses which cost very less. So I would be taking some other courses, not the costly courses. So with that scholarship only I got help to complete the degree. Then when I completed the degree I got opportunity to teach, to go to there is one college in nearby Bangalore. There is a BCA college, so they gave me opportunity to teach at the college as a faculty, to teach them web development and all the things. So I went there also for giving a workshop, but I also got opportunity at the same time from IIT BS degree as a software developer. So I had to decide which way to go. So I thought of this way only.
Your heart remained here.
Yes. And in between I also qualified for the MS program at IIT Open, which is a 1 year program. So in February we have to join there, but I thought I want to earn now because I have spent too much time in studying only. So better let's earn first, then we'll do something else. Because if I don't get any job experience currently, then later it will be like I am studying only and not supporting my family.
Yes.
So to support the family, I have to work. So then I came here and started my journey as a software developer in IIT BS degree and 1st April 2025.
Such a wonderful journey we have had of yours.
Thanks.
So Pratham, tell me one thing. What would you say to someone if someone is sitting in your place, like back then you were at 2020? What would you like to say them? Your journey consists of inspiration. It's so much strength. What would you like to say them if someone is unsure of what career path to take in the future? What would be your advice to them?
Just I would say, whatever you feel that it is the correct path for you and you feel that you can do in it, just go with it. I thought of as a scientist in the beginning, but I was not sure what a scientist is. I was thinking that developing, innovating some things and all. So then in the 2018 when I got to Vigyan, there I developed my own cooler.
Oh.
So in the cheapest way, you can say most inexpensive cooler you can get there. In 300 rupees or 400 rupees you can get that cooler. But nowadays more innovation has done, so those are easily available, like plastic coolers and all. But I made it like for a poor people, they can, let's say they are living in the Jupri like place,
In a hut or something.
hut or something
They
they're
can't
living,
even afford.
those things.
Yeah.
So I made it like that. it can charge from solar also. It is a chargeable, and at night it will give you light also, and air also. Or the
Okay. So you don't even
was-
need to charge it. It won't even take
Yeah,
any
it will charge-
electricity.
It won't take any electricity. It will charge from the solar electricity,
Yes.
and later on it can give you
Cool.
at the night
breeze.
cool as well. Night, if a student wants to study at night, they can study as well with that. So that I thought to make it, so that I made. So but later I shifted to data scientist. So scientist is the same thing.
Yeah.
Now it is a data scientist.
Yeah.
So
Upgraded. I think a
Upgraded,
version.
yeah.
Upgraded version you got here.
so that's only I want to say that keep trying. You will get your way on the way. When you try work, when you start walking on the path, you will get your way. You will face many issues like where to go, which path to go. Just
Keep moving.
keep moving and don't stop. Whatever way you are getting, whatever way you are going to learn, whatever things you are coming in your way, learn from it and upgrade yourself.
Yes.
Like if I could not teach there,
Huh.
then later on I taught to mentored students also for web development.
You didn't stick at one place. You just keep moving.
Yeah, I have done so many things that if anyone can give me any other task, I can do easily. So I know marketing jobs also. I have done marketing jobs. I have done subject matter expert jobs also. Teaching jobs also I have done. I am doing the software developer job now. So I have done categorization and data analyst jobs also. And even before that, in 2018, I worked as a clerk at some medical shop. So after just passing 10th, I worked as a clerk there. So they paid around 100 rupees per day.
Yes.
So that was too much at the time for me. But I just passed 10th and started working before starting of class 11th. So 15 days only I worked, then I could not work because class 11th class started in the school. So that's where I worked. So everywhere I worked, learned many things, met people.
And those added to your experience.
Yeah, all these things added and gave me lessons that these things to be done, these things not to be done and all.
And your way of giving back to the society was also very nice. Like you told me, in the diploma level, you developed this ITM BS community and shared with all of the
In
students.
the foundation only we started this community. Then later students were looking for notes and PYQs. So I made the PYQs all categorized also in one place and notes also, because open notes was there but it was not accessible at some time. So I just put my and some other students whatever was available. I asked them to put all theirs in one place in the Medium blog. So their students are getting the notes and all. So now students PYQs, even if you search on Google, you will get the PYQs and notes there.
Yeah. Yes, even in Google, when we type the very first website that appears, it has a fair share of your contribution in it. So Pratham, let's just take it to a bit Paneer side. Would you like to have a rapid fire round?
Hopefully.
Okay, fine. So you just have to answer in one word and instantly whatever comes to your mind, okay?
Okay.
So throughout your journey, what was your favorite subject in IIT MPS?
Let's.
Maths, wonderful. And one thing you can't study without, like you need to have it.
Laptop.
Okay, and if given a chance, what would you choose? Coding or community building?
Community building.
Definitely. And one thing about IIT Madras that always makes you smile.
The atmosphere here.
Yeah.
And the way of learning here that I am doing since 2021.
And your favorite late night snack?
Biscuits.
Wonderful. So, Pratham, it was such a heartwarming experience for me too, and I'm very much privileged to have you and talking with you here. Just one last advice would you give to other students who are watching this podcast, who are into this degree, foundation degree, diploma level? Anything you would like to add or say?
I would give the same thing that our course mate Ganesh sir has given, that student asks for course selection in the BS. So what course to take, what course not to take. So he has given a line that course selection is like getting into a relationship. You have to work hard to make it perfect. There is no course selection way is perfect. You have to work hard to make it perfect and pass the courses. So if you are looking for course selection and all videos here and there, what course to take, what not to take, just take whatever you think is for you to pass in this term. for you to learn in this term, that you can manage this term along with your BTech college or any other degree you are doing. Just take those courses and don't go with everything in one go, completing the degree in the much faster pace and completing the slower pace. Go with your own pace, but try to complete it. If you are doing a standalone, try to complete it within 3 years and 8 months. Keep one term as a backup, so that if any one term you may miss the exam or OPP or anything, you can complete this degree in 4 years. So that will not affect you in future jobs also. If you apply for any other job where they say this is a 4-year degree and you have done in 5 years and all these things, so these things will not affect with you. So go with the way that complete in 3 years and 8 months.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Pratham, for coming here and sharing
It's a pleasure to be here.
sharing a story with all of us. Your story truly depicts that how belief, consistency, dedication, commitment can take a person from a small town to here in IIT Madras. It was truly, I'm truly grateful for you to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.